India's biggest reality show Bigg Boss 15 is currently ruling the TRP charts. Audience is loving the high-octane drama in the BB house. In the recent episode of Bigg Boss, contestants were seen competing with each other in the captaincy task. Umar Riaz, Vishal Kotian, Jai Bhanushali, Afsana Khan, Ishan Sehgal, Akasa Singh were in one team, and Tejasvi Prakash, Prateek Sehajpal, Nishant Bhatt, Rajiv Adatya, and Misha Iyer were in the opposite team. Karan Kundra and Shamita Shetty were Sanchalak of the task. During this task, Afsana blows some powder on Tejasvi's mouth that causes choking, and Karan Kundra comes to the help of Tejasvi and takes her to the medical room. However, Karan was not aware of the fact Tejasvi was faking it. The chemistry between Karan and Tejasvi seems to be growing by the day. She questions him why he has not married yet. Karan shares the reason for the age gap for not working him in the past. Tejasvi then tells him, "See, you need me." On the other hand, singer Afsana Khan was seen passing comments on new wildcard entrant Rajiv Adatya in the show. During the captaincy task, Afsana mocked him by saying that he would not fit in the alphabet spaces had he been the one taking part in the task. On this, Rajiv lost his cool and warned Afsana to not to make a comment on him. He told Afsana that she can joke with others, but he is not going to tolerate such remarks from her. He was seen crying after this. Shamita came to console him and asked Afsana Khan to back down. Rajiv Adatya is also making headlines on the way he is targeting Ishan for his bond with Maisha. Since he entered the show, there was news going around on his relationship with Ishan, and now it turns out that they both knew each other before the show. So they know many of each other's secrets that others are not aware of, and to ensure that Ishan does not say anything about Rajiv, he is making all efforts to create differences between Ishan and Maisha. Ishan and Rajiv were also seen indulging in a heated argument. Last week's Weekend Cover episode got to witness some high voltage drama. On one hand, Salman Khan slammed Jai Bhanushali and Karan Kundra for their actions. On the other hand, Bigg Boss 15 show's contestants made some revelations about Vishal Kotian. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors.